welcome to Billionaire. This is RP here. We are going to do the Nifty's analysis for next week, and we'll check the price action indicators first. Then we'll check Elliott Wave. So last week we expected Nifty to first go towards 18,400, then start the dip. It did gave the dip and took support on 13 EMA, and again broken this our invalidation point of 18,460. So price action and indicators suggest the bullish move. You can see here Aron went to again extreme bullish zones. So Aron line is touching 100, green line is touching 100, red line is touching almost 0. So this is completely bullish signal again. RSI is above 40. Sorry, RSI is above 50. So that is again a bullish sign as well. Price is trading well above all the short-term and long-term moving averages. So it, as you can see here, it took again support at 13 EMA. It didn't close on the Thursday below 13 EMA, and then next day we had a small gap up, and then it went higher, 200 points. So you can see here it opened a gap up. So what was the close here? 18,321 was the close. So it did open 18,368, almost 30-40 points gap up. It opened. It made a low of 18,333, almost 11-12 points. It left in a gap and then continued move higher. It made high of 18,508. So massive 200 points in a single day is very bullish move. Okay, and it has broken this high. You can see we marked this last week. This has a resistance. So we don't have a good resistance right now. So the next resistance is present at 18,700, or you could even say the last time it made a high near 18,604. So that is the next resistance. So let's move one more line there. Let's switch to the weekly chart. You can see here, right? So this was the high, 18,604. So this is where it's going to come as far as next resistance is considered. And if the price action is still bullish, it will head to that level. Okay, so yeah, so pretty much everything here suggests bullishness, because RSI, Aron, moving averages, resistance break with the gap, it's all pointing to bullishness, and it can head towards 18,604 minimum. Okay, then we have 18,700 odd levels, 720 odd levels. That's what we have. If this 18,604 is broken, 18,710 something, 710, 20, it can head higher. So that's all on price action indicators. Let's check the Elliott Wave. So this is the chart from last week, where we expected Nifty to made an ending diagonal pattern. It did make that pattern. It gave a pullback last week. We expected Nifty to head higher towards 18,400 and then give the dip. That's what we expected. It went to 400, but then it came to 200, took support there and bounced back, broken our invalidation level. So what pattern can fit here? Let's check that. So this is the pattern that I'm thinking of right now. So you must be saying it has completely come up very bullish. It made a 200 points candle. So how can you label the wave counts with bearish, right? So this is what you could be thinking. See, what I see here is a 5-wave structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completing. There are no other pattern that fits well here, considering the impulse structure. So some might say the 5th could be extending. So that could be the case. Then in that case, we'll head higher. But this is what I'm thinking, that this is a B wave. So there is a limit to the B wave as well, how much it can go higher. Okay, it has. So this I'm considering as 3 wave, and wave C will be a 5-wave structure as expanding flat correction. Here the B wave breaks the start of A, and then C wave goes down below the A. Okay, so this is how I'm considering this as a complete of 5-wave structure, and then it will continue higher if it's expanding flat correction. Once the correction completes, wave C completes, if my wave count is right, if and wave C completes somewhere near 18,300, then expect the next upcoming wave to be a more sharper. Okay, so this is the wave count that I'm expecting. So how much B wave can go? Let's check that. I do not have a bullish count. I'll consider the next day's opening. By the way, looking at global and SGX Nifty, everything looks bullish, but yeah, the opening can be different. And I will look for like when I say that it can be bearish, just have to watch out these levels. 18,611, if it breaks, then I would consider that this will break our all-time high. 18,611, if it's broken, then I will consider it will go higher. Here I have plotted this Fibonacci on this point and this point and 1.382. That's what I'm considering as an expanded flat B waves limitation. It should not go beyond this. Otherwise, I'll have to consider that this is something else, and this could be a bullish pattern. As of now, there is no pattern that fits in here. So if I delete this or if I hide this wave count, what else can you consider here? Let's check that. Okay, so someone might think this is wave 1. Okay, this is wave 1, this is 2, and third is in progress, right? Third, fourth, and fifth will be in progress. So currently third wave could be in progress. That's what some might think. Okay, in that case, internally you will have to label this as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So let me make it primary so that we understand properly. Let's, okay, temporarily I'll hide this. So when you say a wave pattern like this, so third wave, so third wave, if you see here, this particular move cannot be a leading diagonal. Third wave need to be a normal impulse. It should not be a leading diagonal or ending diagonal. If it is 1 2, if it is 1 2 1 2 pattern, that's okay. Third wave is looking like an leading diagonal or ending diagonal pattern. That's not allowed. So I cannot count this as in this way. Okay. So someone might think that here the third could be completed. That's fine then, right? So that's the possibility that I'm going to take. If the fifth is extending like this, this is the better possibility. Here the fifth extended wave, then this could be a leading diagonal wave 1 2. Okay, then we'll have 3 4 and 5. So leading diagonal, I think this is going to break 19,000 in that case. So this after leading diagonal, if we count the wave, if we count 1.61 Fibonacci here for fifth wave, it comes around somewhere near. So this is not plotted correctly, by the way. This I have to go on daily chart. So 18,200 plus it can go in fifth wave itself. So this is the other possibility that I can think of. Apart from that, I will go with this wave count for now. Bank Nifty at a crucial juncture, and when, like, what we have to do on Monday is, if first 15 minute we have to watch first 15-minute candle. If it opens gap up, let's say it's open gap up here, we have to wait the high and low of that candle break. So first 15-minute high broken, then look for 18,604 to 10. If it goes beyond that, look for 18,710. Simple. Hope you understand this. Because here also price has taken support on 0.6 Fibonacci, so the bullish move is also possible. We have to be open here. We have to be open for the bullish move as well, because this can head very high. It will be a sharp move. So you can see here 18,200 was a support on 0.6 Fibonacci. It took that support and went higher. So watch out, gap up opening and first 15-minute high break. Then it will continue the move higher towards 18,604. That's what I'm going to play for. and let's say it directly opens gap above 18,600, then we have to definitely look for 18,700 if the first 15-minute high is again broken. So we have to adjust according to the next day's opening. Let's say first 1 hour move. Okay, in first 1 hour itself, Nifty should break the first 15 minutes high and start the move higher, just like it did here. Okay, so just like this is the third wave, right? And it opened a gap up here. Then first, so this is hourly candle. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. So it opened a gap up here. You can see it opened gap up. Then as this complete move was bullish, 8-9 days of continuous rally. So this was the start of the move. It broken the high with the gap. Then here it gave small retracement. First 15 minutes high was broken. It continued almost 100 points from there onwards, right? Not 100, but yeah, almost 50 odd points you can get here, right? And next day it opened again, small gap up, then pulled back again, continued move. So this is the way what I'm going to play for in the next session. Obviously we have to manage our risks. We have to, I will not consider carrying the positions unless it breaks 18,610. That too, I'll carry hedge positions only. So yeah, completely we missed this move. That's okay. I was waiting for considering a bearish case here, because this correction is very small, or you could say it's not correcting in a time and a price. It just pulled back 0.236 Fibonacci, and this was just, I think, 2-3 days drop, which is not acceptable considering this particular correction, slow correction, and this particular slow correction. So time wise, this correction does not fit well only till this. So we have to be careful now. And yeah, I will not carry any positions without hedge. I will look for first 15 minutes high break. That only will be the signal for me to go long. And yeah, hope you understand what is the move that I'm considering here, right? And the levels. I'll try to add the levels in the summary. Do let me know in the comments, what do you think? Thanks for watching. Have a great day and week ahead. Bye-bye.